Setting up a code build job to build containers and push to Amazon ECR. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Continuous integration and deployment, CI/CD, are crucial in today's fast-paced software development environment. Amazon CodeBuild, combined with Amazon Elastic Container Registry, ECR, offers a seamless way to build, test, and push Docker containers. This podcast will walk you through setting up a code build job to make containers and push them to Amazon ECR. Prerequisites. Before we start, ensure you have the following: AWS account. You need an active AWS account. IAM permissions, proper IAM roles, and permissions to use CodeBuild, ECR, and other AWS services. Docker file. A Docker file ready in your project repository. Step 1. Create an Amazon ECR repository. Log into the AWS Management Console and open the Amazon ECR console. Create a repository. Click on Create Repository. Enter a name for your repository. Choose visibility settings, private/public. Click on Create Repository. Step 2. Set up the IAM role for CodeBuild. Navigate to the IAM console and click on Roles. Create a new role. Select CodeBuild as the service. Attach the managed policy Amazon EC2 Container Registry Full Access. Attach additional policies for S3, CloudWatch, and other resources if needed. Name your role and create it. Step 3. Create a CodeBuild project. Open the CodeBuild console and click on Create Project. Configure project settings. Project name. Enter a meaningful name. Source provider. Select your source provider. For example, GitHub, CodeCommit. Environment. Choose the environment image managed by AWS CodeBuild or a custom image. Service role. Choose the IAM role created earlier. Build spec file. Define a build spec file or provide one in the root directory of your repository. Sample buildspec.yml. Version 0.2. Phases. Install. Runtime versions. Docker 19. Pre_build. Commands. Echo logging into Amazon ECR. AWS ECR. Get login password region US2. Docker login username. AWS password. Stan account id. dkr.ecr.us2.amazonoz.com. Repository _URI equals account I. dkr.ecr.us2.amazonoz.com/repository name. Build. Commands. Echo build started on date. Echo building the Docker image. Docker build $repository _URI latest. Post_build. Commands. Echo build completed on date. Echo pushing the Docker image. Docker push $repository _URI latest. Artifacts. Files. Replace account id and repository name with your account ID and repository name. Step 4. Trigger the build. Start a build manually or set up a webhook for automatic triggers based on code changes. Monitor the build in the CodeBuild console to ensure it completes successfully. Step 5. Verify the image in Amazon ECR. Open the ECR console and navigate to your repository. Check the image that CodeBuild pushed. Conclusion. Setting up a CodeBuild job to build and push Docker containers to Amazon ECR streamlines your CI/CD pipeline, making it efficient and reliable. Following the steps outlined, you can automate your container build process and focus on developing and deploying applications faster. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.